Oh, okay. See, the new car may be faster, but it doesn't do that. And that is fun. Monday morning, just arriving at the airport. I got a crazy 2 weeks ahead. I'm flying to Chicago, then on to Greenville for a couple of days, hopping in a rental car, going to Charleston, flying back to Seattle, swapping bags, getting on another flight to New York City. It's a crazy schedule, but I'm excited to be traveling again, especially for these first couple days. For the first time in quite a few years, I made it to Chicago O'Hare, but I have 20 minutes to make my next flight, so thankfully it's in the same terminal. And after a very long day of traveling, I finally made it to Greenville, and I'm ready for bed. And good morning. It's going to be a good day. M2 CS, the all-new M2, and M3 CS.
Pretty good. Oh, no, it's touching this.
I'm going to slide this down maybe?
Or maybe down
here?
Because I think it's going to be
Yeah.
more comfortable.
Here with BMW Blog. They asked me to come review some of the new vehicles, mainly the all-new M2 and the M3 CS. And they also brought along some other toys. M2 CS, M3 CS, a 1M, M3 Comp. What an awesome day. Just wish I could drive a little better. But anyways, this one. I want this one. Oh, okay. See, the new car may be faster, but it doesn't do that. And that is fun. I'm sorry, I want this one.
And I got that angle, and then Jeff got the other angle, so we have quite a few. So I think once we put them all together, it should be decent.
My driving is rusty. I'm doing my best, but swapping from car to car to car has been a little tough. Especially just go, go, go. But God, boy am I rusty. It's been a couple of years since I've gotten to drive hard. It was the M4 GT4 experience. Watch that up there. But I think we're getting some good stuff in here. to me, this is the winner. M2 CS. Oh, that's a good car. That's a really good car. If you can find one, buy one because it's awesome. That, the all new M2, it's good. It is really, really fast. The 1M, I didn't push it very hard. I was a little hesitant to not damage it. And then next up, we got the M3 CS. So I'm excited. We still have a couple more hours here. There's a lot to shoot, and hopefully we can get it all done today. Just amazing. I can't imagine how this would just blow away my E46 M3. Wow, this is fast. Wow, this is a lot of fun. Oh, sorry. I saw him good on track and I didn't know what we wanted to do.
You're tired?
Yeah, tired, hot.
Okay, that's fine.
That's good.
Like, don't push it. You got
I think we're good. Yeah.
All right.
I talked a lot.
Okay, so let's park it. Let's figure out the outro and it should be. One more to make it like on the side.
Day 2 of shooting, and we've woken up to some rain. Whatever, it is what it is. We shot for 10 hours yesterday, got a whole bunch of stuff. Bright and early, obviously, and I gotta get packed up because I have another long day of shooting this morning, picking up the rental car, driving 3 hours down to Charleston to get in time just to pick up Laura and head out to Kiowa Island for a few days of rest and relaxation, which are really needed right now. So, guess I better get started packing. Always love coming to this place. The BMW Performance Center is just so much fun.
Car, and then of course you get more M3 badges all around with a black and red color right there, carbon fiber mirror caps.
Oh, it's so glamorous to be a content creator as I run to the edge of the track to get some footage. Okay, I'm camera car now. Little lead follow. Let's see if I can keep up with one of the driving instructors in the new M2. I'm in an M3 comp, rear wheel drive. Haven't even warmed up today, so let's... I'm good back in the M3.
Alright, let's do a couple warm-ups here. Just warm-up laps, so we'll pick up speed. to a point where you're following me and challenging that speed a little bit. Have money. So this is the speed I want. Just, I mean, you can feel it. Not too hard. You can go ahead and pass me on the right here if you guys are ready for that. Hey, Risch, we're gonna do one more. You want one more?